Hello everyone, welcome to Dental Shots. I'm Dr. Mohana Priya. Today we are going to see about the topic first realize then aspirate. So you would have been puzzled with this topic, that is only we are going to discuss certain facts which is not most of the dentists are not aware about the aspiration. You would have known about the aspiration. When you aspirate it should be negative so that you prevent an intravascular injection. Now I'll give you a certain tip in aspiration which is not known by most of them. Let's move on to the topic. For example, if I am considering a IANB, that is inferior alveolar nerve block, in this block you would have learned about the landmarks, anatomic landmarks, and how much is the depth of penetration of the needle, how much of ml should be given in a ml in a minute, that is the rate of injection, and also you would have known about how much of dose should be given to a patient in a single sitting. So knowing all these, you will also check for aspiration. As I said before, you will hit the bone and in a proper anatomic landmark aspirate, and if it is negative you are proceeding with the injection. This is what you do, but there is much more to know about this aspiration while giving a nerve block in dentistry. For example, I am considering this is a ramus of the mandible and mandibular canal. Okay, so I am going to insert in proper anatomic landmark and proper depth, and I am ready for the injection. I am now hitting the bone. Okay, so you have hit the bone accurately. Consider you have hit the bone. This is the needle. Okay, this is the needle. The bevel is hitting the bone and you are aspirating it. So when you aspirate, if it is negative, you are going to inject the solution. If it is positive, then you are going to change the angulation of the needle and then again aspirate and give. This is the normal thing which you follow. But sometimes even though you are get a negative aspiration, you may be still inside the blood vessel, still inside the blood vessel. So how? I will explain it. For example, you hit the bone. Okay, you hit the bone with the syringe. When you are hitting the bone, you may be in the walls of the blood vessel. Consider this is a vessel which is running there. So when you are hitting and aspirating, you are in the wall. So the wall is sucked inside the syringe and gives you a negative aspiration. But when you are injecting it, your needle may be inside the lumen, that is inside the blood vessel, and accidentally you are, without your own knowledge, you think it is a negative aspiration, but it is inside the blood vessel. To prevent this, what I am suggesting you is that it's a very important point. So you hit the bone, aspirate. For example, if you are in the wall, you may be, when you are aspirating, it would be negative since the wall is sucked inside, but you will be mostly inside the vessel. To prevent this, what you do, you hit the bone, aspirate, negative, again you rotate the needle, aspirate after negative aspiration. Okay, fine. Then you rotate the needle 45 degree. Your negative aspiration, rotate the needle 45 degrees so that again if you aspirate you will have a positive aspiration. So you will be warned that you are inside the vessel with this technique, and you can really prevent the positive, you can really prevent the intravascular injection in a very accurate manner. So always hit the bone, aspirate, negative, okay fine, rotate it 45 degree. If aspirate, if negative, very fine, you are not inside the vessel, proceed with the injection. If aspiration, this after rotating, if you are having a positive aspiration, kindly pull back the needle, angulate it in a different manner and proceed with the injection. So this is the one which is not known by the most of the dentists. Hit the bone, aspirate, negative, then what you do, rotate the needle 45 degree in the same position, and if you are in the blood vessel, it will be inside the lumen, so you'll get a positive aspiration, so you relocate the needle. For example, after rotating 45 degree also, if the aspiration is negative, very good, you are not inside the blood vessel, proceed with the injection. Okay, injection block. Okay, so this is the fact I would like to say to everyone. So if you like the video, kindly subscribe to Dental Shots and have a great day. God bless you all.